Imagine you enter a barbershop excitedly, showing a photo of a hairstyle you found on Pinterest. You expect to see your face completely transformed, but when the barber finishes and shows you the result in the mirror, it looks nothing like what you imagined.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
You fake a smile and say you love it, but at home you feel unsatisfied. Don't worry, we're here to help you choose the perfect haircut according to your face shape. Identifying your face type. To identify your face type, you need to observe the proportions of your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Here are the most common types. Oval face, the forehead is wider than the chin, with soft cheekbones and a rounded jaw. Textured crop, adds volume and definition. Jake Gyllenhaal is known for sporting this style that complements his oval face and contemporary look. Messy medium length, casual and modern. Adam Levine is known for this style that combines medium length with a relaxed, youthful appearance. Classic short style, polished and sophisticated. Enrique Iglesias wears this type of haircut that reflects his polished and well-groomed style. The oval face shape is the easiest to style thanks to its symmetry that suits almost everything. Round face, the length and width are similar, with soft, curved lines. Textured crop on top, adds height and definition. Zac Efron has sported this haircut, showing how it can be modern and flattering for round faces. Textured Caesar with front fringe, defines the face with a forward fringe. Leonardo DiCaprio has worn versions of a textured Caesar cut with fringe throughout his career. Side part fade, creates a more angular and elongated appearance. Johan Hill has opted for faded cuts with a side part on various occasions. The best approach is to use a cut that reduces volume on the sides and adds volume on top. Square face, prominent angular lines and a strong jawline. Textured and messy, softens the angular lines. Brad Pitt is known for sporting a textured, messy style that complements his square face. Textured short crop on the sides, highlights facial structure. Tom Cruise has worn this haircut on various occasions, showing how it can be a classic style that suits men with square faces. Textured side part, adds volume on top. Tom Welling rocks a style where his hair is elegantly styled to fall naturally over the forehead. The square face is considered one of the most masculine, with prominent cheekbones and jawline, giving it a muscular appearance. Triangular face, wide forehead narrowing towards the chin. Textured side swept with fringe, softens the forehead line. Robert Downey Jr. has used a textured side swept style with fringe, which complements men with triangular faces by softening the forehead line. Side part with volume, balances facial proportions. Ryan Gosling is known for sporting a side-parted haircut with volume, complementing his triangular face shape. Textured short crop on top, adds volume and definition. Justin Timberlake has opted for a top hairstyle, which is modern for men with triangular faces. Diamond face, narrow forehead, high cheekbones, and an angular jawline. Textured long fringe, elegant style with volume. Johnny Depp is famous for this iconic style adapted throughout his career, being an elegant and modern choice for men with diamond faces. Textured side swept with fringe, softens angular lines. James Franco has been seen with this style that combines sophistication with a relaxed touch, adapting well to his face. Messy textured crop, highlights angular structure. Robert Pattinson has adopted this modern and versatile style, which highlights his features and is easy to maintain. Haircuts for this face type are generally of medium length. The diamond face is very similar to square, except it ends in a V shape at the bottom. No matter if you have an oval, round, square, diamond, or triangular face, there is always a style that will make you feel amazing. Don't forget to consult a trusted stylist for personalized recommendations based on your facial structure and hair texture. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this.